And we can see that no matter what your upbringing is, if you got a mama that can pray for you, you can break through the prejudice, break through the racism, break through your attitude and everything. God can deliver you. God knows the power of a praying woman, a praying mama. And that's what I've got to teach you today. The success that God gives to a woman who can pray over her children. To teach every mother in here, I don't care how hard it looks like it is, God still works miracles today. Like he did it long years ago, he's still in the miracle working business, and he'll work a miracle for you. If all you got to do is believe God is able, he'll do it for you. And that's just a modern example of how God is working. So nobody can say he did it in the Bible days. He does it up in here. And I've seen a lot of single parents raise some boys and young girls in here that we can be proud of today. And they didn't have a father in the household. So you don't need an excuse, I ain't got no man. You just got God, and if you hold on to him, you can make it. It's still happening today. And I want you to know something. God is looking for women that have that power, that have that faith to believe that he is able, because God can work things through them. He's looking for women and men who are fully committed to him so that he can strengthen them.